Hello everyone, this is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides as well as technology cheat sheets available from in30minutes.com. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use search on your Mac to find stuff. And there's actually three ways to do it, and I'll get right to it. Now, if you're using your Mac, at the top of the screen is the status menu up here on the right side. One of the icons is a magnifying glass. Click on that. That activates Spotlight Search. And the way Spotlight Search works is you basically just type the name of the app or the name of the file or whatever, and hopefully it will show up. So let's say that I want to find an application I use called Sigil. I just type Sigil, and then it shows up as the top hit. One other thing you can do is you can search for the part of a file name. So let's say that I wanted to see a list of the PowerPoint presentations I've worked on. So the file extension for PowerPoint is .ppt or pptx. And basically, it'll show presentations that I've done, suggested websites, Wikipedia, even some other stuff. But if I want to see all of the presentations I have, not just the first 5 hits, double-click on presentations. You might see an icon that says Show All. Click on that. And basically, we'll open up the Finder window and show all of the different presentations I've worked on over the years. There's probably hundreds of them here. If I wanted to open one up, I just double click on it to open it. So the other thing you can do, of course, besides using the Spotlight Search icon in your status menu, is to open up Finder, a Finder window. So just do new File, New Finder window. If you don't see it, click on this guy, and the same thing will happen. And then there's a search window up here too. So let's say I want to find a Microsoft Word document. .docx, and it shows all the file names with that in the name. And actually, I have probably thousands of them here. It's showing them in reverse alphabetical order. So if I wanted to switch that, I'd click on Name, and this starts on the other side. I could sort by date modified. So this is the most recent one I was working on. How big they are. This is not a Word document, but it's a zip file with a bunch of Word documents in it, and you can see it's huge. And then the type, kind. So I just clicked on kind. It's sorting them by different types, so rich text format, XML documents, etc., PDFs and whatnot. There's one more way to use search, and actually this is the way that I most commonly use search. Use the keyboard shortcut. It's really easy. It's really great for lazy people like me. And basically what it will do is it will do the same thing as clicking on the magnifying glass. But instead of actually moving your mouse, all you need to do is just lift up your finger on the keyboard, click Command Spacebar, and you'll see the Spotlight Search window appear. And then you can type in whatever you're looking for. So let's say I'm looking for an Excel document or the program Excel, or Numbers, which is the Apple spreadsheet program. Just type in Numbers, and it shows up as the first hit. Press Return or double click on it to open it up. For more tips on how to get the most out of macOS, check out our cheat sheet. They're high quality, 4-panel, lots of tips and tricks. You can just keep it right on your desktop for quick reference to keyboard shortcuts and other great tips available from in30minutes.com. Thanks so much for watching.